The rolling rice ball. One day, as the old woodcutter was eating his favorite rice ball for lunch, he accidentally dropped one. The rice ball tumbled down the slope, rolling and rolling. Oh no, this is bad. The old man hurriedly followed it. The rice ball tumbled down the slope, rolling and rolling. Eventually, it hit a tree stump, bounced up, and fell into a nearby hole. Oh dear, I can't stop my legs. The old man also bumped into the tree stump, bounced up, and ended up falling into the hole. The rice ball and the old man rolled and rolled. Then, it turned out the bottom of the hole was a country of mice. And the mice asked the old man for a favor. "Old man, please give us that rice ball. We are very hungry." "Of course, here you go. There are more, so please eat up." The kind-hearted old man gave all the rice balls he had to the mice. As a token of gratitude, the mice gave the old man a small box. And he returned home. When he opened the box with his wife, they found it filled with many treasures. "It was good that you did a kind thing." However, someone was secretly watching them. It was the greedy old man who lived next door. "I see, so I should give rice balls to those mice." The greedy old man entered the hole with many rice balls. "Hey mice, I've brought rice balls for you. Now hand over all the treasures, every last one." But the mice didn't comply. They were already full, their bellies having been filled long ago. "Enough! Hand over the treasures now. If you refuse, I'll bring a cat here." It happened in an instant. The mice started digging and escaped. "It's a cat! A cat! The cat is coming!" Before he knew it, the mice were gone. And the area around the greedy old man was full of holes. He no longer knew the way back home. Yes, the greedy old man ended up crying loudly at that spot.